Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. Anything more important to you than to serve God? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, just click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you don't do it yet, yeah, wait, Bunny. Just do it now. Now click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from Paul's first letter to the Corinthians, them, chapter 7, from verse 25 to verse 40. Now for the people them we never have sex with nobody yet. God never give me no rule for no. But God good and kind to me and help me so much that one can trust when I'm about for tell you. You see, through the one them we believe in a God, I go through enough hard times. Me think it better for no turn or no be. If you have one wife, you know feel left her. But if you're not a wife, you know for go look no neither. But if the one them will never have sex yet, go get married, I know sin them a sin. But them will get married, them go have enough trouble in their life, yeah. And me no want if you have to go through that. When me I try to say, brother and sister, at that time short, Christ Jesus soon come back. So from now on, all I know we have wife for serve God. So till it come in like say we not have no wife. I same so them we a ball for serve God. So till it come in like say them never did a ball. Them we happy for serve God just like them would have serve him if they never happy. Make the people them we have money for buy all what they need. Serve God so till it come in like say they never have nothing. The people them will work hard so them can live good. You know if you spend all of the time and worry about the sitting them where they in that world, yeah. Cause that world, yeah, not go turn so forever. It's soon dead and gone. Me no want you to have to worry about nothing. The man when not married, only business with God work. And when want him to do, him only want God to happy with him. But the man when married, him have to worry about the sitting them when family need to live. Him have to worry about how to take care of him wife. The man when married have to think about two sitting one time. The woman them when not married and the one them when never sleep with no man yet. Them ever think about the Lord and ongo business with how them can serve him. Them want all what them do with them body and all what them think for sure say them belong to God. But the woman them when married, them have to worry about food and house and family. Them have to worry about how to keep their husband happy. Me not try for hard on if you do them sit now. Me I say them fi try help you. Cause me want if you can serve God and no have nothing at tap on for serve him. If one man fi marry one woman when never sleep with no man yet, and him think say him not treat her right, and she a get old, and him feel say him fi married her, make him married her. Him not sin if him do that. Them fi get married. But If one man fi married one woman, we never sleep with no man yet, and he make up his mind say him nah get married, and he can control himself, that man ya nah do nothing wrong neither. So the one we married the woman we never sleep with no man yet do the right thing, but the one we not get married, him do sitting even better. One woman must stay married to her husband as long as him a live. But if him dead, she can go married somebody else. But that man there have to be one a God picnic. As far as me can see, and God's spirit lead me just like how he lead Uno, I better she turn how she be. She be more happy that way there. I got over this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.